Welcome to Rasasastra class. Khusro Vidya. Namaste. Myself, Javier Dr. Devashish Panikai. Today, we are going to discuss Rasasastra Paribhasha. To understand any science, one must get familiar with the basic concepts and technical terminology or paribhasha of that particular branch. Hence, before we proceed into the Rasasastra, all scholars should know these terms and its meaning to avoid understanding difficulties. Like we have some specific terminologies for physics, some different for chemistry, and entirely different for medical, like medical dictionaries. So Ayurveda have separate branch also, and Rasasastra have also separate terminologies. To understand the subject, each and every student, scholar should have to know the basic technical terminology so that understanding difficulties could be avoided. So definition of paribhasha: निगूढ़ अनुक्त लेशक्त संदिग्धार्थ प्रदीप. निगूढ़ जहाँ पर जो चीज बताया जाना चाहिए वो क्लियरली समझ में नहीं आता है, एब्सोल्यूट और एग्जैक्ट मीनिंग नहीं आता है, वो निगूढ़ होता है. अनुक्त नॉट मेंशन और ओमिटेड पॉइंट्स. लेशक्त लेस descriptive और partial descriptive. संदिग्ध संदिग्ध मीन्स कंफ्यूजिंग और डाउटफुल पॉइंट्स. संदिग्धार्थ प्रदीपिका. जैसे आप अंधेरा में कहीं जाते हो और आपको लाइट चाहिए होता है और लाइट आने के बाद ही आपको रास्ता दिख जाता है, you know the actual path. Likewise, in the Rasa classics, when any scholars get confused due to difficulties of exact meaning, due to non-mentioning or omitted of points, due to less description or partial description, or due to confusing or doubtful point, in that particular point one have to use the paribhasha so that it will show the light where to go, what is the meaning, what the writer writes here. सुनिश्चितार्थ सुनिश्चित करने के लिए विबुध ही परिभाषा निगद्यते. दिस डेफिनेशन इज अकॉर्डिंग टू रस तरंगी. लगभग सेम चीज वैद्यकीय परिभाषा प्रदीप ने कहा. अव्यक्त अनुक्त लेशक्त संदिग्धार्थ प्रकाशिका परिभाषा कथ्यते दीपीभूता सुनिश्चिता. With the help of paribhasha, following points can be clarified: nigudha or absolute or exact meaning, anukta not mentioned or omitted points, leshakta less descriptive or partial descriptive, and sandigdhartha prakashika confusing or doubtful points. So in paribhasha there are following things in your syllabus: svedana like boiling with liquids, mardana trituration with or without heating, avapa addition of certain materials in liquid state, nirbapa heating and dipping, pouring, quenching, dhalana liquefied materials are poured in liquid, that is utiloha, galana filtering, bhavana addition of liquids and drying through triturations, shosana drying in sun or fire, and bharja. So sodana, what is sodana? In general term it could be purification, but it is not purification, something else. Purification is chemically pure, but in Rasasastra we add certain other things in that particular rasodravya, and after some specific procedures we call it purifications. Means we add impurities and you say it is purifications. Finally, in the Shastra, it is not chemical purification, it is conversion to edible form. Metals in raw form is not edible, and after Sodhana process, after Marana process, it is converted to edible form for internal or external consumptions. So what the Rasatarangini says about the definition, Uddiste Aushadhi Sardha Kriyate Pesanadikam Mala Vichittayatu Sodhanam Todhyachati. Sodhana is the process in which the malas or the dosas are eliminated. उद्दिष्ट औषधि सार्ध, जिस द्रव्य के शोधन के लिए जो औषधि उद्दिष्ट है, बताया गया है, एडवाइज किया गया है, उस औषधों के साथ क्रियते पेषणादिकम, पेषण आदि क्रिया किया जाता है। पेषण आदि क्रिया में ये सारे क्रिया स्वेदन, वर्धन, अवाप, निर्वाप, ढालन, गालन, भावना, शोषण, भोजन आदि, ये सारे क्रिया किया जा सकता है पेषण आदिकम, आदि एटसेट्रा। तो उससे क्या होगा रिजल्ट में? मल विच्छित्त है, इससे मल जो अनवांटेड इसके साथ प्रॉपर्टीज है उसको हम मल बोलेंगे, जो शरीर के लिए नहीं चाहिए उसको सेपरेट करना। यत्तु सदम तोधियच्यते, इसी को ही शोधन कहेंगे। The literal meaning of sodhana is purification, but in Rasastra it's not merely purification, it is sanskara, which is essential, brings out modification or alteration in properties along with purification. It is the pharmaceutical procedure adapted to all metals and minerals before subjecting to further procedure like Marana. It also enhances efficacy, safety of the drugs. Sodhanam karma vigyayo dravya soshana dosa nivaranam, according to Rasaratna Samuchaya. The process of removing impurities from a dravya or drug is known as sodhana. So Svedana, fermentation and steaming. क्षाराम्लैः औषधैर्वापि गोलायन्त्रे स्थितस्य हि पाचनं स्वेदाख्य स्यान्मल शैथिल्यकारकम्, according to Rasaratna Samuchaya. Boiling the drugs by suspending in liquid, that is acids or alkali or any medicines as per prescriptions. Decoction with the help of Dolayantra is known as Swedana. Dolayantre sthapayitva dravyam क्षाराम्लैः औषधैर्वा कषाये yakatya यस्यात् पाचनम स्वेदनम तत् प्रज्ञारूपम दोष शैथिल्यकारी, according to Rasatarangini. It is a procedure of boiling the drug suspended in liquid. Dolayantra is main instrument used in these procedures. However, Svedani yantra also described in many references. In another reference, Rasendra Chudamani, Shara Amlei Sei Sardham Bhande Rudhyat Pati Yatnatah Bhumo Nikhanyate Yat Tatsvedanam Parikirtitam. Shara, Amla and any Tikshna Dravya should be taken in vessel along with Parada or any Rasari Dravya and close the mouth of the vessel. This vessel is kept as girth about 2 hasta. This is left for few days. By this method, the temperature inside the earth will produce the heat to the vessel, leads to Svedana of the Paradadi Rasa Dravya. Mardana उदिष्टे औषधै सार्धे सर्वाम्लै कांजिकैरोपि पेषणं मर्दनाख्य स्याद् बहिर्मर Rasaratna Samuchaya. औषधि द्रव्य triturated with any Ingliya, Vargadravya, Swarasa, Kwatha or Kanji etc. for prescribed period is called as Mardana. This process removes external impurities. This mainly prescribed for the Parada Sanskara. In Rasa text, Mardana Sanskara is prescribed almost all Rasa Aushadhis, that is under Sodhana Karma before Marana as a Purva Karma. Process Aushadhi Dravyas are taken in Khalvayantra and triturated till it becomes fine powder. This process may be carried out with liquid or without liquid. Its aim is reduction in particle size. Instruments used Khalvayantra, Tapta Khalvayantra, effect continuous trituration. Experts pressure on the surface of the drug helps in the particle size reduction. भावना यच्चुन्नितस्य धात्वादि द्रव्ये संपेस्य शोषणं भावनम तन्मतं विज्ञे भावना च निगद्यते according to Rasatharendra. The process by which metals, minerals are powdered and triturated with suitable liquids and dried is called bhavana. According to Vaishya Ratnavali, bhavana done in daytime, bhavana done in bright sunlight, bhavana done in night time also, soaking done in the night, and mardana done or liquid removed on the next day. Soaking and then drying in the sunlight, that is Siladhu Sadhana in tricular water. When the specific time period is not mentioned, then bhavana is done for 1 day. Subhavita characteristics. पेश्यमाण च यद्रव्यम चिपिटीभूत चूर्णताम यति मार्दवयुक्तम यत् सुभावित समाहितम. भावित द्रव्य on grinding converted into sticky paste form and is soft in nature. Any bhavita dravya which shows such lakshana is termed as subhavita dravya. And durbhavita lakshana yat pishtam सहसा विदीर्ण खरस्पर्श नो कमलम तत् दुर्भावित मुक्तम भावना वेदिवी वर्जन. भावित द्रव्य on grinding suddenly turns into powder form, rough in touch and not good look in appearance. This is durbhavita lakshana of bhavana dravya. Now in sodhana, following process also helpful, that is avapa, nirbapa and dhalana. अवाप द्रुते द्रव्यांतरेक शक्य लोहाद्य क्रियते सिद्धि अवाप प्रतिवाप सदैव अच्छादन. Sprinkling of powder on the molten surface of the metal, that is in Bhangajarana. Sparkling powder may be herbal or mineral, that is Apamargaksara, Kupatandattoka, etc. Dhalana संद्रावितस्य द्रव्यस्य द्रवे निक्षेपणान्तु यत् धालनम तत् मुद्दिष्टम रसकर्म विशारदि. Pouring of molten metal in any liquid is called dhalana, that is Bhanga Sodhana yantra used Pitara yantra. Nirvapana is Dhatvadir Vannistaptasya Jaladau Jan Nisechanam Sa Nirvapa Smrutaschapi Nisekasnapana Cha Tat. Metals are heated to red hot and quenched in Jala, Swarasa, Vata, etc. Dravadravya is known as Nirvapa. This is also known as the name Niseka Snapana. This procedure usually adopted in Sodhana procedures of metals. Heating up to red hot, dipping in liquid media. Sudden cooling of heated metals makes bond becomes weak. Due to repeated procedure of metal becomes brittle. Liquids used for this process usually acidic in nature. Their corrosive effect in metallic surface makes easier to further process.